So here is the 2018 Argentina government report about the Vaca Muerta oil production over the years till 2018. And you could see things are just getting better, and they expect the ultimate potential could be reaching 1 million barrel over the more than 10 years. And it really depends on the continuous production without terminal decline. And how does this compare with other major basins in the US as well as worldwide other basins? And we zoom in the first 12 months and compare the different basins. So here's the zoom out, and you could see that the Delaware from North America's best shale patch, the initial oil actually is bit better than Vaca Muerta, even the potential, and but gradually the decline accelerate, and it loses steam after 6 months, and Vaca Muerta in the end, like the news report, outperform Delaware after 12 months and beyond, and they could reach more than 1 million barrel, according to the report. And in fact, this is true if you look at the year 2000 reported by Vista in the Black Shale oil with low GOR, and you can see that their type curve, which is the new black here, it initially still underperformed with Delaware, but very soon after 1 month, it outperformed Delaware, and the average wells of the latest 2 years from Vista is this blue line. It's clearly outmatched the black as well as the Delaware now, but it's still lagging the first month, and you can see the GOR just getting smaller and smaller, and especially this champion well, new record champion well in Vaca Muerta this past year. You could see the GOR is only 45 and API only 27. A very good diesel, distillate shale oil with very low sulfur indeed. Very competitive, and the production is also very good. And if you compare the latest China's hypersaline shale patch, the GOR is only 20 cubic meter per cubic meter of oil liquid, and the API is also 25 and 23, and you could see the performance is much better. And of course, this is a side track drilling from a vertical well before, and it's not very long, and only these 2 wells. Long-term performance, basin wide, block wide performance, and yet to be seen, but it clearly shows that low GOR black oil is really outperforming the high GOR LTO light tight oil.